This
No,
conference will now be recorded.
so each candidate background is nothing but not educational background. Anyone having any testing experience or fresher, just I want to know your domain knowledge, IT skills knowledge. I think you are able to see my screen, guys. Please let me know.
Yes, able to.
Yeah, can you give me your introduction? Just 1 to 2 lines. Your domain knowledge, why you are looking for SLQ, what is the interest, what is your interest on SLQ automation tool? Only 1 to 2 lines only. Swapna.
Yeah, hi everyone. Myself, I'm Swapna. Currently, I'm working as a Salesforce QA engineer, and I do have experience on Rover. So I just want to get some experience on some other tool using by Salesforce called SLQ.
Okay, Guru.
So, hi Rahul. Currently, I'm working as a Salesforce manual QA.
Mm-hmm.
So, I heard that this SAQ is related to automation testing tool and also having AI feature also. So, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, devices.
Hey everyone. I have around 14 years of experience, and I just wanted to add this SLQ skill to my profile. So I do have experience on Selenium, REST Assured, and Karate, and
Okay.
some amount of knowledge in Tosca. Just wanted to explore this tool and add it to my skill set.
Okay, thank you. Rajani.
I'm working as a QA lead. I would like to know, like, it generates test cases on its own, no code based. So, would like
Mm-hmm.
to know about the tool.
Right. Yeah, Nandish.
Yeah, I have around 7 years of experience in both manual and automation testing on Selenium, Rest Assured, and also performance testing using Jmeter and LoadRunner. And I have basic knowledge and I have few experience on ACCELQ, which I used earlier in one of my assignment.
Mm-hmm.
And in my current assignment also, in next quarter, there is
Mm-hmm.
more scope for automation using ACCELQ for all kinds of apps, GUI, API, DB, desktop, and also this service now. So I'm joining this course. Basically, I am working for end-to-end testing, where we have a scope of automation end-to-end flows using ACCELQ.
Right. Prashant. Prashant, are you there? Okay. Next one, Deepak.
Hi Rahul. I have near to 10 years of experience, and currently they deployed me to a project which has this AcceleQ. It's been
Mm-hmm.
almost 10 days, so I wanted to learn this tool.
Okay. Jahid.
Just learning new technology. Our enterprise is adopting XLQ with Salesforce. So just curious about this new technology. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Siddhi.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So many people's having more experience on manual testing, Salesforce, and UI automation or API automation. So coming to myself, what we are seeing the screen and Pooja Rahul. Actually, that screen is our Isha Software Solution screen page. But my name is Bala. So I think so most of the people are having more experience when compared with me. So I have only 11 years experience on software testing field, and I was worked on both functional and non-functional testing on different tools and domains. And also I have a experience as a trainer. I have 6 years experience as a trainer. So I'm very passionate and very interested to teach in teaching field actually. Since from 2019 or I've started my career as a trainer, and also had a deal different projects with the different clients alternatively, including my regular jobs. I'm associated with different startup companies also. So let's start. Today, just we will focus on different tools, benefits, drawbacks. So once we understanding the tools wise, then very easy to understanding why SLK is very easy. Why we preferred SLK also. In SLK, I have 3 years experience. So this tool is recently started. Tool name is SLQ and company name also in SLQ, that is product based company. So and also my brother was working in that company. Okay, shall I start the session, guys? So don't write anything, just please maintain your peace of brain or mind. Okay, whenever or if you have any doubt, is that maybe small doubt or big doubt, please raise your doubts. I will give you proper documentation on SLQ. Okay, don't write anything. Please maintain peaceful mind as well as patience. So for automation tester or manual tester, actual testing team need patience. Patience is very very important when we compare with developer. Okay, I think first tool is, I think everyone know agile methodology. So can I raise one question, sir? Can I here I'm says some words. If you know, no problem. If you don't know, please let me know. Like burn down charts or burn up charts and velocity, test case design technique methods, test plan and a test strategy, and also automation test plan. Guys, everyone know this terminology in agile methodology, SDLC process.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Why? Because what if you are a automation tester or manual tester or DevOps engineer, any designation in IT sector, if you are going to attend any interview, definitely interviewer will ask at least 4 to 5 questions from the agile methodology only. Without knowing of waterfall, agile, some Kanban process, very difficult to crack the interview. This is personally why, because I have taken a lot of interviews when I'm working with HCL, ITC Infotech, ATRA. Okay, thoroughly please try to understanding agile principles, agile events or artifacts or manifest. Okay, currently Selenium with Java. This combination, okay, will rule the world. Not will, it's a rule already. It's rule the world. Many clients or companies first preference they prefer the Selenium with Java only. So maybe here we have different framework, JUnit, Maven, and TestNG. I think who already having experience in Selenium with Java, Anyone having any experience how to develop the TestNG framework from the scratch? Just I will raise the questions. Uh, 1 second. TestNG framework development. Is it easy? Give me your answer. Who are having experience on TestNG framework development from the scratch? I will give one more hint. Here we are using the PYM, page object model. This is the design pattern. If you want to make or develop any test engine framework for test engine, we prefer page object model. This is a HTML documents. We will develop each class for each web element. This is the design pattern documents. Can anyone having any experience on test engine framework development?
Yeah, we can consider like a medium complexity if you are aware of good Java knowledge.
Yes, good Java knowledge on different to like class and methods implementation. Knowledge is more important and expertise. Who are expertise on Java? Very difficult for other medium candidates. So only they know class methods, objectives only. But very difficult as my experience, as my understanding, little bit medium or complexity to design the test ng framework. That is the one issue or one drawback if you are going to utilize the Selenium with Java for TestNG framework. I can raise one more concern for Selenium with Java. That is, as we know, this is a open source tool and also having a huge community. Okay, are we do the API automation with Selenium Java? Who
Mm,
know? Please
No,
let me know. Others to try to understanding.
no, we can't
Why?
need
Because
to go to rest assured.
yes, no. Rest assured is the one that is also very dead easy. Here we are using the domain specific language, but we have to follow just Java standards only. Java standards is nothing but how to create a package. The package always in the lowercase letters, the pattern, and the class is starting letter, capital letter, sorry, not letter, character or okay, yeah, letter or character. The first character of class, uppercase letter. Next word also start with uppercase letter. For method, first letter is lowercase letter. Next word start with uppercase letter. Just we have to follow Java standards only. No need to expertise in Java. Rest assured framework also very easy for API automation. But we don't have any scope. It is not possible for API automation by using Selenium with Java. So, are we do the automation desktop applications?
No, we
Anyone
can't.
having any idea?
We can't
Desktop
do this.
application. Yes. No. Same for mobile applications. Mobile application, nothing but mobile automation. For this also, my answer is no. Here we are using AppM or Catalan Studio. Okay. So this is the one we are discussing about Selenium with Java and also rest assured. we will discuss about rested. So guys, as of now, are you clear about Selenium with Java? Just I will give only overview only. No need to learn Selenium with Java for SLQ training. Forget about first SLQ. Just I will teach you step by step. So first we have to understanding the whatever we are using the existing in previous years. We try to understanding the benefits and drawbacks. Then we move to next step why we will prefer the auto SLK tool or any other tool like Tosca or Test Complete. But compared to Tosca and Test Complete, SLQ is the preferred one, very easy. Why that why we preferred SLQ, that is next step I will explain about SLQ. Actually I am in middle of some work, I need to ready the PPT, or else I can explain the step by step, line by line. Actually, I am in decision is pending from my end, so I will explain the about SLQ. Rest assured, is it framework?
It's a library.
Yes. Guys, don't confuse. Few people sir says that rest assured is the framework. Okay. Actually, REST assured is a Java based library only. So, for what purpose we are using the REST assured means if you want to hit the API request, okay, if you want to validate the API response, just the REST assured will help to send the request to validate the response. So who will help to maintain project life cycle, how the script is executed or compiled means. So rest assured it will take help from the Maven framework and TestNG framework. Here no need to develop any framework from scratch level. Just we need to add some dependency from Maven repository only. Hardly five. Only just five repositories, five dependency we will capture from the Maven repository only. So no need to develop the utility files, class or methods or for reusability. So in API automation, this is the one very easy tool. Rest assured also. Who are having some time, we don't anyone do not having any knowledge, any experience on rest assured. So please learn it and add in your resume or in upskill. So that is also very helpful in your career. Okay, I think so. We know types of testing: functional testing and non-functional testing. Cross browser testing also very important by using browser stack or with other any tool. Okay, so if you want to utilize or if you want to work on Selenium with Java, the candidate having good experience on Java language. And also here we have a different issues, or we don't have any scope to do desktop applications or mobile applications. And for captcha, I forget that another feature, captcha. So through Selenium with Java, we don't have any scope for captcha also. Mobile automation, desktop application, Windows application, and captcha. Okay, these are the drawbacks for the Selenium with Java. But I want to automate all types of testing. Whatever we discussed here, I want to automate all types of applications or mobile application, desktop application, Windows application, capture, mobile automation, anything. The only one tool is SLQ. Okay, SLQ is the one where we are used for all types of automation. Okay, but here also try to understanding the architecture of SLQ and also benefits of SLQ and learn about SLQ. Guys, just one generic question. I raised the one concern. I think already we know what is functional testing. Can you define functional testing? Just functional testing definition.
Verifying the behavior of the application system functionality.
Application or already we have application. Each application
Yes.
having a web element or web service. I agree with your statement. Can you give answer another way? Whatever you said, that is exactly correct. I need accuracy definition and answer.
So verifying the functionality, how the system is behaving,
Yeah,
how
behavior
the
for
software,
to whom?
For
like
business.
end user perspective,
For business, right?
The
end
enterprise.
user perspective.
Perspective,
As
Stakeholder.
per the requirement.
requirements, right? As per requirement, as per business and client's requirement, that's okay. For example, let us consider I have a Amazon application. So in my application having a lot of web elements. So this way, can anyone give what is functional testing for sign up or login or search?
So do you mean steps you
Not
required or
steps. Just I
the
want to know
prerequisites?
the exactly answer for functional testing. Actually, we are the expertise. I think whoever, for example, someone is in pressure. This question very helpful. Sometimes the HR team will at this time of shortlisted, HR will ask one question. The question is, can you differentiate between functional testing and manual testing? Or can you define functional testing? That's one question. This is one question. Can you define functional testing? I want a generic answer. Forget about the requirements, business, something. Why? Because the HR is a non-technical guy. So whatever you give an answer to HR to understand how the non-technical guy to understanding about functional testing. So in our team, someone is working as a tech lead, having a one person is a 14 years. But I agree with your statement. That is exactly correct. That is a high level answer. Just I asked to answer in basic level, like as for a fresher.
Yeah,
So
it's mainly focus on validating the behavior of the software from end-to-end perspective, and also each feature and function operates based on the, expected design specifications mainly.
Correct. I agree. Okay, that's right. Correct. But see, if someone is asking the question, maybe next year or coming years, definitely we will change the company. A lot of people are having more experience and good people are there. But my suggestion is don't give high level answers. My suggestion only. You can follow or not follow as your wish. Just you can give one answer and give some examples. So let us consider why, because the HR is non-technical guy. If you want to explain about functional testing, so let us consider we have a one web application. So each so in the web application we have a lot of or different web elements. So each web element having specific roles or it's having own behavior. So just we will verify the web elements behavior. Okay, this is my suggestion answer only. You can follow or not follow as your wish. Okay, guys. Okay, and this question definitely the interviewer asking next question. Can you differentiate between functional testing and manual testing? Okay, guess it. So I don't want to waste your valuable time. Now I now I am going to elaborate or describe about SLQ. Okay, guys. So the first one actually, why we preferred SLQ. So the first thing is, so SLQ is a cloud-based tool. Okay, SLQ is a cloud-based AI powered continuous testing platform, codeless automation tool. But as per my experience, I won't agree, okay, or I do not accept codeless automation tool. Okay, we have a code, but we do not use any programming language. Just we are using the plain text language only. If you are in expertise in English grammar, not no need to expertise in English grammar also, basic level. Here we are using the plain text language. Codeless is nothing but we do not use high level or object oriented programming language like C sharp, Java, or Python. So no need to expertise on all types of language, but we have a code, but it is a plain text language, like it is a English grammar, like a command also, like Linux command, like list mkdir, okay, username and password. Very simple syntax only, very easy compared with rest assured. Actually rest assured is the very easy tool, but compared with rest assured this is very easy. But we have a code, but not high level code, just is a plain text language. Codeless automation tool, AI powered. Actually AI powered is nothing but in the back end we are using the NPL, natural programming process language, and mission algorithms. I think, as per my knowledge, we have 10 mission algorithms are there. So based on whenever we are using based on application in backend, these mission algorithms is working in backend. So whenever we are given some input when we are using the SLQ, so backend mission algorithms or NPL is working. Okay, I will explain topics also in SLK. So this is the first question. SLK is a cloud-based, AI-powered, continuous testing platform and codeless automation tool. Okay, sometimes interviewer ask one question. You says that, okay, it is a codeless automation tool, but we are using the some commands or plain text language. How can you say that this is a codeless automation tool? So actually, I was facing this question when I was given interview to Equinix. Equinix is the product-based company. They are providing only remote opportunity only. Okay, we have a code, but it's not a high level or object oriented, and also it is not dynamic any program language. Just here we are using the plain text language, like it is English sentence only. When we are going to do some operations on web application, then very easy to understanding how SLK is working. Okay, but right now try to understanding how we can give the answer to interviewer. So the starting only I told to one question, like I given one suggestion. Don't by heart anything, so just to try to understanding the functionality, how it is working. Knowledge is important. If you do not understanding anything, please raise your doubts. The doubts may be small or bigger, doubt is a doubt. So my what I'm expecting from your end is open minded opinion. If you do not like my way of teaching, guys, please raise. I will change my teaching style also. Why? Because I want expertise and teaching only. Okay, the next, oh, 1 second. The next point is we have a scope or we do automation for all any application by using SLQ. Simply we can use unified platform. Unified platform, nothing but it is the only one platform, okay, to automate mobile applications, API automation, UI automation, desktop application automation, window based applications, okay, any application, and also sometimes see authentication type of code, see like authorization or authentication. So it is actually unified platform. Guys, are clear about SLQ and unified platform?
Okay, can we automate the mainframe applications?
Yes, Salesforce, mainframe applications.
Okay. Service now.
Rahul, sorry to disturb you. Is this specifically designed for Salesforce or some other?
All common for all. Salesforce or UI, any application. I told you, know, what is the meaning of unified? Nothing but it's allowed all types of automation. ServiceNow, mainframe, Salesforce, SAP, CRM, ERP, any application. This SL keys will help. And in SLK also we have some visual applications. So how we will do the automation? In SLQ screen, it's showing visuality, where it is the process is initiated, where it is ended, how our flow is working. Whatever you are implemented, any steps or any test shoot or any test cases, if you want to see the visuality means it's showing some image. So I will show you tomorrow or day after tomorrow how we are able to see the visuality when we are created one test case or test shoot in the SLQ tool. Okay, visual application modeling. Simply we can say visual application modeling. Okay, for business process validation, and also very easy to integrate with the CI/CD. I think as we know CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery. So different peoples are working on different builds. So all builds will assemble one location. Finally, we will make the one build by using Jenkins. Jenkins is the CI/CD tool. There is a famous one, and we also we have a different tools also. Dambo. Okay, but Jenkins is the famous one for CI/CD. And SLQ it supports Agile and DevOps through in sprint. So we will use the SLK from starting only sprint n minus 1 or 0 sprint. Once we know the sum, at least one build is enough, one version is enough to do automate. If you are maybe sometimes developer has update the code dynamically or periodically, so automatically sometimes it fix automatically the code Still if you're not still if you're facing same issue, and fixing issue also very easy in the SLQ. We have one parameterization concept. Go to in the parameterization, or we have actually in the SLQ we have only three topics are there: context, action, and scenario. Okay, I will explain later what is context, what is action, what is scenario, how to create the context and action and scenario. Okay, in Sprint automation and continuous testing approach. Okay, so actually the SLQ is overall SLQ combines easy of use powerful AI capabilities, artificial intelligence. And recently, I think so. One more company was developed for same like SLQ, that is Webomets. Can anyone having any knowledge on Webomets? Webomets. But this purpose is different. Actually, they were developed for two purposes. One purpose is for a testing purpose. Another purpose is logistics, transportation purpose. Webomets is a product-based company, and 2 years back, I was given interview to this company. I was cracked all rounds, technical round, CTO round, and CEO round also. CEO is Asim Bakshi, but due to package issue, I was not received offer letter. So, if you want to get job guarantee as well as job security, so try to get the opportunity from product-based company. Okay, don't work with service-based company. But workload is also there in product-based company at the starting stage only. First year only. Once you have joined the any product-based company, first year you have some challenges. Okay, Webomets is also one product. It's working like they are also developed AI models only. Webomets. Okay, this SLQ roles, or you can say items. Can I use items or roles or what we called content? Okay, items is not good word. Content.
Is this a open source tool or a licensed tool?
License. It actually is not a license based tool. It's not a open source tool.
So then can we do practice or
Yes, we are planned it for practice purpose. Without practice, there is no use what we learn. Practice is most important. We are planning for that. We are created some accounts for SLQ. We have a, I think it's 1 or 2 weeks free license once we are sign up with our Gmail accounts.
okay?
Actually, this is a budget issue. License work for only one single person only. If you are going to buy the license for different users, 10 to 15, it will cost. Initial cost is $100 for single user. Okay, this total SLQ tool, it will depend on only context, action, scenario. Okay. So for these three topics, I don't explain in theoretically, but what my plan is, I want to explain through tool. Then only to remember how what is context, what is action, what is scenario, how to create the context, how to create the action, what is the relationship between context and action, and context to scenario or action to scenario. So without creation of context, or we created action or scenario, we will discuss about these type of scenarios and questions on tomorrow with by using tool only, directly tool only. So theoretical answer is it's not a good practice. So we do some operations by using SLQ on context and action and scenario. Guys, give me your suggestions how I can explain in SLQ. This is the right way what I have explained as of now. Can I change my way of teaching? Are you expecting any more examples for understanding purpose? Give me your feedback. I will accept negative feedback also. Those negative feedback very helpful for my future. I will change my teaching style also for the next batch or for tomorrow onwards only.
Rahul, for these notes, instead of typing and all, it will consume more time, right? Can you prepare some PPT with all those example, and we can focus more on practical?
Okay, done. One X agree. I will make PPT on SLQ, and I will show you the PPT and I will explain line by line. Okay, right.
Also more
Accepted.
and also more into practical sessions, not into theory.
Yeah,
Right.
I second that. Yeah.
Okay. Web applications and APIs and more. We are expecting. You are expecting more practicals, right? What else?
Okay, and in practical, also try to focus on more few complex and all the basics and all. I think we can initially prepare. Later, try to cover more complex, basically the use cases which in real time we may face us in
Okay.
automation.
For complex, can give me any examples? Any web element or web service for
No,
complex?
okay, for example, practical, will you take
Mhm.
any
Yeah,
real-time
we
application?
yeah we will take the real time applications or any other dummy application, maybe Amazon or Flipkart or any banking application also. We will take our real time web application only. We will do the operations by using SLQ. But complex is nothing but if you know, just give me some any example for complexity, like any search module or
Yeah, web tables kind of thing.
Yes.
Integration area, where you have
integration is nothing but is it payments.
API integration layers when the data is moving within the layers, right? So how do we automate that? Like if it is going from one layer to another layer to another layer, like so, like as
Hmm.
end business flow, how do we automate through that? One will be web, another will be API, another will be database. So in all these three layers, if I have to see the business flow, how can I make it in a real time scenario using this tool?
Yes, like
Okay.
end-to-end testing, which covers web DB and APIs in a flow
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Guys, give me
and
one
any
minute. guys, I have a call with a client. So I will wind up the call. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow I will catch up.